Hello everyone, today we are going to create 3D model for exercise number 18 with AutoCAD software. Okay, first in here I will use the front view. You can click top and change into front view. I will create circle, start from this point with the radius 10. You can use zoom in with the scroll mouse and create circle again with a radius 70,5. Next, I will create line start from this point, and we can move to the bottom here. We can set into 15. Move to this point. We can click sort at this point, and we connect in here. Click again at this point. The next, I will use the mirror command to mirror this object. Start from center point to the top. In here, I will active for polar tracking. You can move to the top, and you can click enter. And choose trim command to cut the circle, so we can cut in it. Okay. The next I will use orbit command, and in here I will use join command to combine these all objects, and we can extrude the object with extrusion 20. Press enter. Now in here you can change into right view. This for right view, and we orbit again. Next, I will create circle, start from this point, middle point, move into here. Create circle again in here with radius 3, and you can press enter. Next, we can extrude these two circles into here, and I will copy two cylinders from this point into this point. Okay, we can press escape button, and in here we can press F7 to hide cut. And I will use a subtract command to subtract 3 objects, 1, 2, 3, press enter with this cylinder object. Enter again. So it will be subtract and combine between all objects. The next we can change into top view. In here I will create circle. You can use a mid between 2 points. I will click from middle point here. And also in here middle point, and in here we can set a radius into 7 and press enter. And next we can use extrude tools to extrude the circle object to the top. We can set into 35. In the top here we can create circle. You can set from center point. We can set radius into 3, and you can use extrude tools to extrude the object to the bottom. We can set into 30. The next we can subtract this object with this object. We can change into set with edge, so it's for the result. In the bottom here we can use extrude tools. Press enter. Press control button, hold to select this face. Press enter again, and you can move to the bottom. Okay. The next we can use a union command to combine these all objects, so it will be combined. The last we can use a fillet edge command. You can type fillet edge. Okay, and in here I will set for radius into 2. You can fillet in here. Okay, you can select one by one this edge. Fillet at this point. The next is orbit command to orbit the object. And now we can press enter to apply. So it will be fillet. We can fillet again with radius 1. Can fillet in here, and also at this point. Can click at this point. Can press enter and enter again. So it will be fillet. Now we can create circle. Yeah, but first I will change into right view, and then we can create circle. Start from this point into here, and you can use extrude tools to extrude the last object. Can move into this point. Okay, can see this is for top view. You can change into front view. This is for front view. And in here I will use extrusion tools. Then tap extrude, select at this face, press Ctrl button, hold, click, and we can extrude about 3. Next we can create offset edge. Select at this face, we can offset with dimension, set into -2, enter, and -2 again. Next you can use extrude tools to extrude the last object about 3. Okay, you can change into top view, and in here I will create a circle with radius with the dimension 1, and you can move this object from this point. Okay, and you can move into this point. Next we can use extrude tools to extrude a circle object to the top edge, and you can move tools, move this object to the bottom edge. Okay, now we can use a union command to combine this object. Can press enter, and we already create this simple 3D model U-joint for exercise number 18 with AutoCAD software.